Yeah, I think that the other thing here too is we're kind of talking about data provision and kind of data operations and the business costs associated with it. I think the other thing that came up quite a bit in the survey was kind of a frustration around the analysis, right? The ability to do like interpretation and analysis, like after the fact, like, hey, which of my lead sources are doing the best, which which of those subcategories or like sub genres of businesses are the ones that I should be focusing on. Obviously, doing that sort of analysis is pretty hamstrung if your data is dirty. You're gonna have like a garbage in, garbage out situation. So it seems like there's a lot of like understanding that there's room for improvement there, but I'm wondering what's kind of gating people.
Well, a lot of things. I mean, another analogy I like to use is the airplane, right? Most of us are working at companies that are like an airplane. It's a 4-engine airplane in flight, and we have campaigns to run and hungry salespeople to feed with leads. I mean, coming from the
Yep.
marketing demand gen side, and
Yep.
you can't land the airplane to fix it, right? You got to climb out in the wing and tinker with engine number 3
Mhm.
while you're flying the airplane. So what that means is I got to keep campaigns going, and at the same time I got to figure out my data problem. So uh, I think it's just hard without a large enough organization and enough resources to have somebody dedicated 100% on hygiene. I think few of us have that. It's just super duper
Yep.
hard. So then it comes back to really looking at your data sources and what's working, what's not. And I've spent hours and hours in the past myself introducing Marketo batch jobs and workflows that normalize data. I mean, just take a look at I challenge everybody who's watching this, take a look at your employee count field, right? And see
Mhm.
how many different ways there are to what is it, 50 to 99 employees, right? 50 space 2 space 99, 52, 99, all run together, right?
Right.
All these different ways. So I've been there. So there's all this stuff to clean up, right? Your content syndication vendor gives you a field recorded one way, another vendor gives you a field recorded another way. So just even normalizing some of the basic firmographic stuff takes up so much time. So my guidance, and like I said, in the past, I just like, darn it, I'm just going to do everything by NAICS codes, right? It's one way or another, I'm going to fit industry into NAICS codes. And darn it, it's going to be 21 space TO space 100 for the employees. Just pick something that you're going to standardize to for your business and get high quality data and figure out what data you really need to personalize and to prioritize your accounts for segmentation and targeting, and basically just commit to that, right? Say, in this shop, this is how we do it, for better or for
Mhm.
worse. And hopefully you've picked the right choice, right? You've standardized to the right thing. But just really just pick a model and commit to it and make that work for your business.